Hi, I am Ankit Chandrakar, founder of Ecopack Solutions based in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. We are a greener focus startup manufacturing eco-friendly corrugated box and roll sustainable packaging need. At Ecopack, we are aimed to reduce plastic waste by providing recyclable, durable and cost-effectively packaging for industry like agriculture, furniture and disposable. Operating from 5,000 square feet semi-automatic unit, we are committed to building greener supply chain across India. I am proud to be a participant in Swalaman STEM program, a powerful joint initiative by IIM Raipur and 𝐸𝐴. The platform is helping startups like mine gain structured business mentorship, design thinking and strategic support to grow sustainable. Thank you IIM Raipur and 𝐸𝐴 for empowering entrepreneurship to build greener, stronger India. The future is sustainable and we are ready for it.